Hello, this is Zellark. It's been well over a decade since I've posted anything on this channel. You know, there's old cringy car audio from when I was in high school, and some drag racing videos. But I figured I would record this video because, well, it's been a while since I've done anything car audio related, and I just put this system in this 05 Jeep Liberty about a month ago. So I'll run you through what I got going on here. JVC head unit, it's okay. There's some Memphis PR 2.5, I think, or 2 3/4 inch speakers in the dash. Some Quart 6.5s in the front doors. And then in the rear doors, there's 6.5 inch Polk audio components with the tweeters that I put in the back pillar there. And then the good stuff is in the trunk. Well, the back, I should say. So this is a Skar 1500 watt monoblock amp. Couldn't tell you what the model number is anymore. I don't remember. But the goodies are right here. Maybe, you know what? Let's go back here instead. Is it unlocked? It's not unlocked. Of course. Why would it be? So these guys are 15-inch Phi Audio Alphas. I ordered these a couple months back. I ordered them in the single 2-ohm voice coil with the white lettering. Not the biggest fan of the carbon fiber dust cap, but you know, what can you do? But I figured I'd come out here, show you guys what it can do. We'll make a little bit of noise here. Let's see what we got. It's yours in the car. I suppose it helps if I turn this up, huh? That it's definitely the loudest thing I've ever had, but before I get in trouble I better end it here. So thanks for watching.